Hello beautiful people, and a very warm welcome back to my channel. Thank you for your subscription, your support and everything. It means a lot to me. And if you're new here, my name is Sylvia. Kindly remember to subscribe, share and hit the notification bell for more. So when you get into the house, you find this beautiful curtain. Yes, and then on the side there is this beautiful window, a big window that brings in natural light with the same curtains, the same pattern and color for blending in. Yes, and now this is the sitting room. There is a one-seater here, a lamp. So this is how the sitting room looks like, and this is the lamp, which you light it mostly at night when you're watching a movie. Yes, it is very beautiful. So here we have a beautiful three-seater, and on top of it there is a beautiful art. It's beautiful and big. I know my camera isn't doing it justice, but it is beautiful. So here we have this beautiful rack for decor. Yes, just look at how this decor is beautiful. I love this culture. This is a monkey hanging, the lamp, the Maasai community, a candle, and here is a beautiful artificial plant hanging. It's just beautiful. Yes, and now here are the electronics, but first we have this beautiful artificial plant. This is a 75-inch TV, and here is the TV stand. Yeah, it also has two artificial flowers and an African cultured person. Yes, and this is a beautiful, beautiful art. Here we have a beautiful artificial plant and a clock. I just love that clock. And down here we have a two-seater, and a one-seater. Yes, and that's how the sitting room looks like from this side. And from this side, it's beautiful. So this is a remote holder, and I just love this coffee table. The marble is beautiful, and I love that it has storage. Yes, I love storage because I don't like things zikitapaka if you get what I mean. And here we have a beautiful carpet. The color matches with the seats, the curtains and everything. It just blends in so well. And here we have a rail plant. I don't know what it's called, but well, now let's go to the dining room. Here we have a beautiful art. As you saw, it's on the corridor. Yes, and this is the dining room. On this door is the kitchen, but let's first view the dining room. Up here we have a beautiful, beautiful art. Wow. Yes, and this is the dining table. That's the serviette holder and a beautiful flower. Yes, and this is a marble table, and the chairs are just wow. I love them. So that's the doorway to the bedroom, but first, before we get there, let us finish around here. So up here we have a beautiful art, good vibes only. Yes, good vibes in this house. So let's take the flower up close in the pot. I love them. I love how they look cute together. I just don't know how to explain it. They are so beautiful. And now this is the kitchen. I just love the colors in this kitchen. It just makes you want to cook right away. This is a beautiful presentation, and these are jars for storing, read it, sugar, tea, coffee, spice, yeah, etc. And this is the utensils rack, yes, where they dry before storage. And that's the sink with the sockets and the token gadgets. I love the way the kitchen is tiled up. And here we have the dustbin. Yes, and this is how the kitchen looks like. We have a cooker here, and above it we have so many cabinets. So in these cabinets they store, in Swahili they are called viungo and unga. Here we have gloves for holding hot stuffs, yes, and flour. And now moving ahead. Oops, before we get into the bedroom, let's first view the washroom. So we find this beautiful mat out here. Now let's get in. It's huge. I know the camera isn't taking the whole of it, but it is very spacious. Here is a sink and a mirror, and I love this ladybird holder. I have always loved ladybirds. Wow! And this is a mirror. Yes, I love this flower, and this holder is just beautiful. So this is how the toilet looks like. It's modern. So now let's go into the bedroom. This is a beautiful red mat. Yes, I loved it. Yes, and this is how the bedroom looks like. It holds a 6x6 bed and a 2-seater seat. And I love the curtains and the carpet. I just love everything in this bedroom. Enjoy the view. So these are blue curtains and a blue flowered sheer. It's actually a blue and white curtain. I just loved the color, and the texture is heavy. It's just amazing. So the bed comes in with bedside cabinets, and I love this lamp. It's beautiful, the gold, it's, I don't know if it's a brown color or what, but it's just beautiful. And here is a 2-seater seat with an art. Yeah, they are going to place it, and I love this art. Just look at it. And here we have the closet. It's very spacious. Let me get back a little so that you can appreciate it. It has a mirror at the center. Don't mind me. And here we have a beautiful carpet. It's blue and white, just like the curtains. It just blends in so well. It makes this bedroom look amazing. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching. Kindly remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I will appreciate. Bye bye.